The introduction of cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others made one thing clear to researchers: the blockchain is staying put. With this trust in calculation mastery, the cryptographers and researchers stayed at work longer than required to make a novel digital money that could hold an incentive at a splendid future cost, empowering taking credit, making installments, and all in replaceable nearby monetary standards. Before we start with an itemized Nexo cost forecast, we should really take a look at the coin outline. What makes Nexo special? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital money-supported credits to clients. These advances don't need a FICO rating, and this component makes it an appealing choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for acquire a moment credit in 45+ government-issued types of money. Check the total Nexo audit here. After keeping, a credit line opens up, and no credit check is essential. Clients can spend from their acknowledged line whenever for the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their ledger. The whole structure of Nexo depends on two standards: 1, versatility of exchanges, and 2, working with a smooth incorporation with different applications. It appears Nexo will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments, and furthermore is a wise venture choice. A striking component of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction changes of monetary forms. These cards can be utilized for limits, and the best advantage clients determine is they can pay in their neighborhood monetary standards. Nexo specialized investigation. Like other digital currencies, Nexo also is to a great extent reliant upon value development and request and supply, and is profoundly weak despite the fact that it depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists differ as they would like to think about the commitments Nexo holds in the years to come. In view of verifiable information, soon after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable large flood came, and among April and May, the cost of Nexo rose from 55 cents to 98 cents, an impressive leap that mirrored a tremendous measure of early financial backer interest. Be that as it may, it stamped nearly flattish energy till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo moved up above 73 cents. However, at that point, it confronted a slight rectification and retested the 50 cents mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information showed when any remaining monetary forms exhibited a horrid execution, the Nexo cost displayed soundness, acquiring financial backer certainty and showing an extraordinary flood in energy with no Nexo cost drop understanding starting from the start of 2021. In any case, in 2022, the cost of Nexo was rectified constantly, and it shut the year around 62 cents. Nexo value expectation by specialists. Being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a manageability advantage that impacts Nexo's figure contrasted with conventional monetary standards. The ongoing cost of Nexo waits around 75 cents with a 24H value change of plus 0.23% and a 24-hour volume of $6,611,251 with a market cap of $425,261,495. There is right now a coursing supply of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. In view of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, a cost fall is expected. The Nexo cost visualization for 2023 is 8 cents. According to the Estimate Information Examination, the cost of Nexo is supposed to cross the degree of $1.50. Before the year's over, Nexo is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.68. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should know the cost of Nexo in 2023. Nexo gauge completely relies upon the value development and feeling. The cost of Nexo could reach $3.05 toward the finish of 2023, in spite of the fact that Nexo cost expectations for the time of 2023 to 2030 are impartial as far as development. The drawn-out standpoint for Nexo appears to be positive to date. There is a ton coming up for financial backers, as expressed by specialists. Nexo costs might go on upwards, crossing $1.50 by the 2023 end and soaring all through the remainder of the year, acquiring financial backer help and hopeful estimates. Nexo value expectation 2023. Going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns, almost certainly, the year 2023 may not be entirely ideal for Nexo for acceleration, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is a determined possibility of the Nexo crash to 70 cents, and the most extreme cost might be around $1.70. Nexo value expectation 2024, expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist in light of expectation at the cost of Nexo, and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that Nexo will govern the crypto realm, disposing of BTC predominance with a presentation of cost fixed at $2.01. Nexo can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances for the most part as a result of serious areas of strength for it. Nexo Value Expectation 2025. The current year's expectations could stamp the benchmark year as the cost of Nexo is anticipated to outperform $2.50 definitely, predominantly in light of the fact that this year, no critical variables like the pandemic or downturns are expected to shake the foundations of world economy. And it is normal that the vast majority of the harm done would be headed for fixed work in every single world economy. Nexo Value Forecast 2026. As per our Nexo cost gauge in light of specialized examination and past information, this digital currency could leap to about $3.59 by December 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around $2.95 and $3.27. Separately, Nexo Value Expectation 2027, keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that the Nexo cost is ready for a rise even in 2027. The cost of Nexo, as well, will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting the $4.45 mark in light of cost expectation. Nexo Value Forecast 2028, taking into account our Nexo gauge, specialized examination, and market refreshes, with many ventures reaching realization before the year's over. The inside and out most exorbitant cost of $5.75 cannot be precluded for Nexo, making it a productive interest in the digital money market, contrasted with government-issued types of money. Nexo Value Forecast 2029. As indicated by our Nexo conjecture, the token is supposed to exchange at least cost of $5.55 with a most extreme cost of $8.15. Simultaneously, the typical worth of the token for the whole year might be around $6.85. Nexo Value Forecast 2030. Master financial backers of computerized coins generally plan for the long haul instead of the momentary cost development, with a touch of persistence in keeping their expectations high in the drawn-out estimate. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2030 as the reception of Nexo will fill dramatically as far as cost and market cap by when Nexo will not anymore a guileless contestant in the realm of digital forms of money. However, a carefully prepared player. It is normal to exchange at a limit of $10.01 in 2030 in light of our Nexo expectation. Does Nexo have a future? Nexo is a digital currency that has a shrewd and brilliant future. Riding the crypto wave, it will govern the computerized realm, thus for of installment, it would have a long rule. Indeed, even online entertainment stages like Twitter and Facebook affirm Nexo's strength over BTC's predominance. Is putting resources into Nexo a smart thought? Indeed, as per our Nexo cost estimate, putting resources into it will be really smart at the ongoing cost level. In any case, a reasonable level of effort is generally prudent. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any over-euphoric clarifications required on the off chance that you contribute nicely and track the Nexo cost gauges routinely throughout some stretch of time. Where might I at any point purchase Nexo? At this moment, you can buy Nexo at significant exchanging stages and crypto